As we continue to get you the very latest, that Ananya Pandey is going to be questioned for the third time running on the 25th of October. Her second time interrogation ended just about 40 minutes ago. But viewers, on the sidelines, there's a big political face-off also brewing, the NCP versus the NCB. To be more precise, Nawab Malik from the NCB versus Sameer Wankhede.
Sameer Wankhede, the high-profile NCB official who put Aryan Khan in jail. For the last 3 weeks, ever since the drug bust on a swank cruise ship, Wankhede has been grabbing attention, turning the screws on SRK's son and others, ensuring they remain in jail. Now the man himself is feeling the heat, and from no less a person than a minister in the Maharashtra government.
I will not comment on anything.
Nawab Malik has charged Wankhede of extortion. To prove his point, the NCP leader questioned Wankhede's visit to Maldives at a time when several Bollywood stars were present there. Malik then tweeted a picture of Wankhede in Dubai.
अधिकारी स्वयं दुबई और मालदीव में क्या कर रहे थे, इसका खुलासा अधिकारी को करना पड़ेगा, समीर वानखेड़े को। हम मांग करते हैं वो बताएं, वे दुबई गए थे क्या कारण था वो वहाँ गए। हमें तो पूरा यकीन है कि सारी उगाई मालदीव और दुबई में हुई है, जिसकी तस्वीरें हम आप लोगों को देंगे।
मैं गया था मालदीव्स में, बाकायदा गवर्नमेंट की, हमारे जो कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी होती है उनकी परमिशन मैंने लिया है। आई हैव नेवर बीन टू दुबई, वॉट एवर टाइम इज स्टेटिंग दैट।
The NCB officer admitted that he went to Maldives with his family but never met any Bollywood star there. He denied he was in Dubai in December 2020 as claimed by the minister.
मैं सरकार की परमिशन लेके अपने बच्चों के साथ में, अपने फैमिली के साथ में गया हूँ, तो अगर उसे एक्सटॉर्शन कहते हैं तो दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल।
Wankhede has outrightly rejected Malik's extortion charges and said he's contemplating taking legal action against Nawab Malik. Nawab Malik's serious charges against Wankhede come at a time when the NCB officer has come under public glare.
I am a central government employee, so I have to take due permissions from my seniors, and after that I will take a legal course.
He himself committed, even the NCB press note says he had been to the Maldives, but he denied that he was not in Dubai. Definitely law is there in this country. He is free to take legal path.
With many believing he's taking an unduly harsh line against Shah Rukh Khan's son. The Aghadi government too has repeatedly accused the BJP of misusing central agencies to target Bollywood celebrities. With Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, viewers, after the bullying on social media, Fab India took back their social media, media campaign for Diwali. At the back of it, now another brand has done so, and this time is under heat and being criticized for what certain political leaders in Karnataka believe is targeting Hindus. Amir Khan is the brand ambassador of this particular brand. All right, I'm going to quickly now cut across to the very latest which is coming in, which is Ananya Pandey is going to be questioned for the third time by the NCB on the 25th of October. Let's quickly listen in on all the reactions filtering in right now.
मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना बताना चाहता हूँ,
नाम क्या करेगा भाई क्या करेगा बोलिए।
मंडे को बुलाया गया है और उसके बाद आगे की कार्रवाई होगी।
सर कोई खास डिटेल व्हाट्सएप चैट को लेकर कोई उन्होंने नकारा हो जवाब ऐसा?
मैडम मैं आपको इन्वेस्टिगेशन से रिलेटेड कोई डिटेल नहीं बता पाऊंगा।
आर्यन ने ड्रग पेडलर के नंबर भेजे थे, उसके संबंध में क्या कुछ जानकारी उन्होंने शेयर की?
अनन्या के अलावा
अनन्या ने कोई जानकारी
नहीं, अभी कोई ऐसी जानकारी मेरे पास नहीं है।
सर ये ड्रग्स कार्टन में क्या कुछ एविडेंस मिले हैं? अनन्या के संबंध में कोई एविडेंस मिले सर अनन्या के संबंध में कोई एविडेंस मिले सर हैप्पी गॉड सर हैप्पी गॉड
All right, viewers, that's the latest that is coming in. You just heard it from the NCB official there. Ananya Pandey is going to be now questioned for the third time on the 25th of October, which is the coming Monday. On being questioned whether there is going to be an impending arrest of Ananya Pandey or will she be detained, the officer of the NCB said further action will be taken after her interrogation, which is going to be on Monday. One thing is quite clear, which is filtering out, that the NCB thinks that Ananya Pandey needs to answer more questions and is not giving what they really need right now in terms of cooperation. And that's the reason why Ananya Pandey is now going to be questioned for the third time running by the NCB on the 25th of October. That's the latest news break that is filtering in right now. Ananya Pandey will be called in once again for questioning by the NCB, and that will take place on the 25th of October, Monday. All right, so that's the latest. One thing that is filtering in at the round 2 of the interrogation by the NCB, Ananya Pandey was asked details. If you remember, on the at the back of the WhatsApp chat, in which she has stated, allegedly stated, that she can arrange ganja for Aryan Khan. The NCB today asked her who the peddler was that she was dealing with, how the money was exchanged, who was she procuring it from, and those were the questions that were posed to Ananya Pandey today. Whatever answers Ananya gave is something that the NCB feels needs to be further interrogated, and that interrogation will now ensue on the 25th of October, which is the coming Monday, the round 3 of interrogation of Ananya Pandey. Will more players will also be brought in? Are others also under the radar? Is something which is unclear as of now. But now the NCB is going to focus on the questioning of Ananya Pandey after 2 rounds. The first one took place yesterday, round 2 took place today, and round 3 of Ananya's questioning will take place on the 25th of October. Yesterday, Samir Wankhede himself questioned Ananya. Today she was once again questioned. There's always been a presence of a lady NCB officer as well, and she will be questioned again. The NCB does feel that Ananya needs to come up with a lot more than she is right now answering. She needs to disclose a lot more. She needs to cooperate a lot more. And with that purview, Ananya Pandey is going to be called in for the 3rd round of questioning. I want to now cut across to my colleague Devesh, who's joining us for more details on the story. Devesh, would you give us details? The round 2 ended today. Clearly the NCB not happy with the answers that Ananya has given. They feel she needs to be further questioned, and that is going to take place on the 25th of October.
Exactly, Preeti. There'll be a 3rd round of questioning for Ananya Pandey. Today again, she was grilled for close to 4 hours and then allowed to go back home. Yesterday, she was grilled for 2 hours, and now again she's been called on Monday for the 3rd round of questioning. And NCB officials are trying very hard to get details regarding if any details are there regarding procurement of drugs, if they've actually brought, if she has actually helped Aryan Khan in procurement of drugs, if she has consumed drugs, and all sort of details regarding procurement and consumption. They are trying very hard to get a confession or get some details out of her, but as of now it seems that they have not succeeded. They have not succeeded, and they will grill Ananya Pandey again on Monday. She's been allowed to go. remember, she was grilled by Sameer Wankhede, the NCB zonal director, while the investigating officer VV Singh was also present in the cabin, and there was a female personnel who was present throughout the time when Ananya Pandey was being questioned, while her father Chunky Pandey was made to sit outside the cabin in the waiting area. There will be a third round of questioning on Monday. As of now, NCB officials have not confirmed the time on when she has been called. But the Deputy Director General of Narcotics Control Bureau, Mr. M.A. Jain, confirmed this thing that she has been called on Monday. Remember, Monday and Tuesday, there's the bail hearing of Aryan Khan at Bombay High Court. So Monday remains to be a very crucial day for Narcotics Control Bureau. If they manage to extract some information regarding the alleged drug chats between Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey, then they could produce that as evidence in front of the Bombay High Court that could strengthen their case in seeking rejection of the bail plea filed by Aryan Khan. But if they fail to do so, they'll have to rely on the evidences that they've already produced in front of the Metropolitan Magistrate Court and in front of the NDPS Court, where bail application of Aryan Khan was rejected. Preeti?
You know, one very quick question, Devesh, which everybody is interested in. Is there possibility of the arrest of Ananya Pandey? And importantly, till yesterday, she had maintained that she was joking on that WhatsApp chat where she said she could procure ganja for Aryan Khan. What is the latest on that? Because it seems today she has said that she didn't know that weed was drugs.
Preeti, this is a very important question. Everyone is trying to know whether Ananya Pandey could be arrested on WhatsApp on basis of the WhatsApp chats that have been found between her and Aryan Khan. So we could remember, if we could remember that there was a case last year by that was being investigated by the Narcotics Control Bureau, where the top Bollywood stars like Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh and Shraddha Kapoor were questioned by NCB regarding WhatsApp chats. None of them were charged. They were questioned, they were grilled by NCB officials regarding the alleged drug chats, alleged WhatsApp chats, and they were allowed to go. After that, nothing happened. There was no case registered against them. Though NCB maintains that no clean chit has been given to anybody, but no action has been taken against anybody in that case. So now, in this case also, against Ananya Pandey, there is no direct evidence. There is a WhatsApp chat between her and Aryan Khan, and only solely relying on WhatsApp chat, there cannot be a legal action. If at all she confesses, if at all she provides some information in her statement to the Narcotics Control Bureau, then that will be trouble for her. That will be considered as an evidence, a strong evidence against her, and she could be charged.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Devesh. We're going to continue to get back to you for the latest updates on that story. Welcome back. You're watching a fact check segment where we bust certain claims masquerading to be facts on social media platforms and WhatsApp groups. Now, there's an image which has foxed many on various social media platforms that a mermaid was spotted on the Mangalore beach. Well, the fact check on that, nothing like that ever quite happened. The viral clip is part of an awareness video on sea conservation. With that quick fact check, time for us to go into a quick break. To stay with us on the other side is To The Point.